Wait, are you recording?
Yeah.
I didn't know. Did you see the Millennium
Falcon? Wow, how long did that take to make?
Like a day.
Wow, can I hold it? Can I show it on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, my brother made. Wow. Wow, nice, dude. Good job.
This is technically me in a video.
My 12-year-old brother loves Legos. Hello, my friends. It's Nina. I have a lot to do today because I am going to Korea in 2 days. So there's a lot going on physically, mentally, emotionally. Well, not really emotionally. I have to clean my room. I want to change my desk setup a little bit. I want to work on my WEBTOON a little bit before I leave. And I also need to start packing. But we have a lot to do today. So welcome. Join in on the fun. We're gonna start off with my desk area. This is a physical representation of my mental state. Hopefully by the end of this, everything is clean. Also, do you like my outfit for today? Got some cute jeans. I love this little detail on the side. And then my shirt is cute. This is all from Alfred Eden. I actually do have a code for Alfred Eden right here. So if you want to use it, I've been shopping. Anywho, let's get cleaning. I recently got a bunch of new technology. For all these chargers, I probably need to open all these. And then I also got a lot of makeup and I've got PR all over the place. I have been trying to clean up, but there's just so much going on. In other news though, I got this nice new LED light mirror. It has buttons on the screen, so if you just press it like this, nice and bright. I already set it up so it has a natural light color, but you can make it cool, warm. You can also adjust the brightness. So if you hold it like that, it lowers. Hold it again, goes all the way up. And then this button would be for changing the color. I love it. Let's take care of all this. Spotless. Except for here. My friend is asking for dating advice right now. Anywho, now it's time to tackle my desk. I really want to make this a more productive work area. I feel like a lot of things here can move over here. And then I just got a new monitor recently. This is the LG MyView Smart Monitor. It is beautiful, grand, and I have been having so much fun with this. It has helped making work and studying much more fun for me. So because of that, I want to rearrange my desk a little better so that everything just makes more sense. I also need to decorate this. My little Snisky figure. I might have to raise up my screen a little bit. Literally so good for my posture. Another little Miffy. This is a chopstick rest. Oh, I gotta put this here actually. I just realized this is not perfectly in the middle, so I can technically move this. There we go. In fact, this might all just be off center. Wait. Do I have a measuring tape? Ooh, exactly 4.5. Okay, that should be good. Let's move this over here. Oh, finally, some use of this space. This has all of my technology, electronic accessories. And now my desk is finally finished as well. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I don't know how it took me until now to figure this out, but I finally moved that drawer that was here and then I placed it over here. It's just easier to reach. And then I put all of my little trinkets, figures here. I love the color coordination. We've got yellows and pinks, all of my favorite things. Got my Miffy plushie picking here, a little heart box, this cute little crochet plushie. I have my Smisky figure here, all of my pens. Now it's within arm's reach. I don't have to reach over so far anymore. And then right in front, just to cover this, I put my most used pens and pencils here, all of these notebooks, my Korean vocab book. I actually have my new iPad here, and then some Japanese workbooks, textbooks, more plushies, pictures over here. And then now I have my laptop here. The reason why I wanted it over here in this corner was because this was always dead space, this little corner. So I could just shove my laptop back there. I can also store my other iPad here, my tablet stand. And then a nice thing is that we've got this HDMI cord. I can plug it into my laptop without moving anything. And that HDMI cord is connected to my monitor, so I can use my laptop to work on my monitor. And now I don't have to be hunched over when I'm editing. It'll all be on display right here. I am so excited. This is much more productive, much more functional, ergonomic. Love it. If you couldn't tell, my favorite color is blue. Just kidding, it's pink. This view cannot get more beautiful. I think it's very important to have a workspace that is stimulating for your brain. Also one that's tidy, organized, clean, functional, and adorable. And I just found a purpose for this little box here. I'm gonna put my used batteries in here so I can charge them at the end of the day. Perfect. Perfect. Now I will introduce you to my new baby. This right here is the LG MyView Smart Monitor, and I'm going to turn it on now. It comes with this remote. After you set it up, all you have to do is turn it on. So because this is a smart monitor, it is basically a smart TV. Literally a game changer. And that brings me to talk about the sponsor of this video, LG and the MyView Smart Monitor. A big thank you to LG for sponsoring this video and working with me. But as you see on my desk, I recently got the LG MyView Smart Monitor. So this monitor is not just any monitor, it's a smart monitor. This means that unlike conventional monitors, the LG MyView Smart Monitor has a built-in web OS that gives direct access to various OTT streaming services such as YouTube, music streaming apps, and home office tools. So this monitor can be used without having to connect with a PC or a laptop. It also has a 31.5-inch 4K IPS display, so it's great for productivity and for watching content. It also allows for quick and easy content sharing with AirPlay 2 and Bluetooth. It is the all-in-one solution for small spaces and for anyone that needs a private personal display. You have entertainment, work, study, tools right in front of you in just one screen. You don't need 20 devices. And on top of it all, the aesthetics. It is beautiful on my desk. It comes with a flat style stand which saves the space around the display and gives it a sleek look. You can raise it up or down to your liking. I put all of my favorite figures and trinkets around it to make it more personal. So if you would like to check out the LG MyView Smart Monitor for yourself, you can go ahead and use my link in the description. My productivity, my efficiency, my work-life balance, my posture. This monitor has truly changed the game for me. So thank you again to LG for sponsoring this video and for gifting me with this beautiful monitor. And let's get back into the video. Now that everything's set up, I'm actually going to work. I am currently working on an Instagram reel and I need to get it done before I travel so that I can upload it when I travel. Now I'm going to relax and have dinner. I'm going to change into something a little more comfy. She's beautiful. Don't mind this giant jeans pile. These are all clean. I just have to fold them. I'm going to wear probably this nice sweatshirt, and then some comfy pants. I forgot to do any kind of transition, but nice and comfy. I'm gonna watch a K-drama while I eat. I am finally back to watching K-dramas. I just finished Queen of Tears, I think a week ago. Queen of Tears has officially taken the #1 place in my heart for my favorite K-dramas. It is probably my favorite K-drama of all time currently. It was so good. I watched every single episode, watched the finale. Honestly, lately, it's been hard for me to finish K-dramas. I have started a lot of K-dramas, but I kind of just forget about them later on, or it doesn't grab me. I was kind of waiting for a K-drama that just would suck me in, and it would be all I would talk about. It would be what the people around me talk about. I was waiting for that kind of K-drama to come again. Queen of Tears, everyone was talking about it, but I watched it until the very end, and I was crying so much. It was just a very beautiful K-drama. I've never seen a romance like this. Like, this was the best romance that I have seen personally. Just to be loved like that and to love like that. I would like to experience that someday. That would be kind of nice. But now I started another popular K-drama. It is called Lovely Runner. It is so fun to watch, and I just have the biggest crush on Pyonwoo-seok. He is, this is a TMI, he is literally my ideal type. That's all I'm gonna say. So I'm going to watch Lovely Runner while I eat. I am going to work on a panel or two of my webtoon. So unfortunately I haven't posted a webtoon episode in a very long time. It's an embarrassing amount of time that it's been now. It's been since November, December, January, February, March, April. It's been 8 months? We're already almost halfway through 2024. Huh. Anywho, my iPad is fully charged. Do not ask why I'm still using my old iPad. I'm too lazy to figure out how to do the cloud thing on Clip Studio Paint. If it works, why do you need to change it, you know? So instead of just having one screen, why not just screen mirror? If I press screen mirroring, it will show up right on the monitor. So now I can see it much bigger. And then you guys can also see what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna work on this until I get tired.
아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love 많이도 난 널 좋아했나 봐 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지 bittersweet tell me not got me going crazy someone just tell me why 하나 둘씩 내게서 더 멀어지지 마 baby you 오직 너만 baby you 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만 Someone tell me what I need to do to make this feel right I just want you in my life keep you warm and nice Baby, I still love you 안 되겠어 이대로는 Can I say that I just love you 네 모습이 아름다워 근데 baby, I still love you I don't wanna believe there's a thing Can you let me say it again I still love you 건너편에 앉아 있던 너의 모습이 아직도 나
Wow, water is delicious, especially when you put ice. Oh my god, that smacks. I think the best thing about this new setup for me is definitely posture. Earlier this week, I actually injured my back for many reasons. The past few weeks, I've been cramming a lot of stuff instead of just taking things day by day, breaking down my tasks one by one, because there were a lot of external factors. I just kept not having time to do anything until I had to push it to the last minute, which I don't like to do. I think college made me good at pulling all-nighters, but my body, for the first time in a long time, kind of gave up on me. I injured my back pretty badly to the point where I couldn't bend down that well or I couldn't stretch out my back backwards. And it was definitely because of my posture, because on the regular I would be facing downwards at my laptop, sometimes hunched over, or I would be sitting like this. Literally like this, typing away, working away. Sometimes I'd be like this. Other times I would be like this. And that was going on for weeks. I think something I want to be better at is being able to stay on schedule even if things go out of my preferred schedule. Things aren't always going to go the way that you plan. I just need to be good at being flexible again. I used to be literally and metaphorically flexible. My body used to be flexible. My mentality used to be flexible, but just lately it's been getting harder to kind of let things happen. But I definitely love this setup much more. I rarely have to look down. I can feel my shoulders going backwards again. I'm lucky to have a decent posture, but lately I've just been kind of forgetting about it, and that definitely took a toll on my back. So I feel much more productive when I'm working. I don't feel pain anymore. I would literally feel pain. That was when I kind of knew something wasn't working. And when something doesn't work, you can fix it, you can change it. You just gotta take the time to do that for yourself. concludes this productive day. I kind of never thought that this room would be clean, but all is orderly once again. And now I think I can leave for Korea in peace. Thank you for joining me on another productive day. And also thank you to LG for sponsoring this video. And I will see all of your lovely faces next time. Now bring it in. We're going to bring it in for a nice warm virtual hug. Goodbye, my friends.